Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to fix the Touch ID not working on Mac. So there are different methods that you can follow. So let's go one by one. Very first thing what you can do is you can just remove the existing Touch ID that you already have, the fingerprint ID, and you can remove that and re-add. So what you can do is you can click on this Apple logo, go to System Settings, and within the System Settings, scroll down to Touch ID and Password. So here I can see there is a right index already there. So what I can do is I can click on this cross button, which will remove this right index, and then I can restart the system after removing the Touch ID, and then I can go and again follow the same steps to come back to the Touch ID and Password and add a fingerprint. This way, if there are any temporary issues, it would be fixed. Now, second thing what you can do is you can reset the PRAM or NVRAM. For that, I already have a video where you can just watch this video. I will drop the link in the description below for you to watch. After resetting the PRAM or NVRAM, all the hardware related issues would probably fix. The third thing that you can do is you can just go and click on this Apple logo and go to System Settings, and within the System Settings you can go to the General tab, and within the General tab go for Software Update and check if there are any new software updates for your system. Generally what happens is that if there are any major bugs happening in the system hardware and software, the Apple will release a patch update for that fixes. So if there are any issues like that, then you can just make sure the software is up to date. Lastly, if the Touch ID is only working sporadically after wake up from sleep or are intermittently disconnected, so what you can do is you can wait for a few seconds, like 5 seconds or something, and then you can just use the Touch ID. If the issue persists, what you can do is you can just contact the Apple support for further diagnosis. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.